Which state government has approved the recruitment of transgender in police? Odisha. The World Day to combat desertification and drought is celebrated on which date? June 17th. Which Indian women wrestler has won the gold medal in the 53 category at the Poland Open? Vinesh Fogart. The air defense anti-missile system S-400 is designed and manufactured by which country? Russia. The Union Cabinet has approved the implementation of the Deep Ocean Mission proposed by which ministry? Ministry of Earth Sciences. Which company has launched ML Machine Learning Summer School? Amazon. India is working towards restoring 2.6 crore hectare of degraded land by which of the following years? – 2030. Which state government has launched Vedic Shiksha and Sanskar Board? Rajasthan. Which institution released a consultative document on regulation of microfinance? RBI. Which institution has been granted powers to supervise the registered investment advisors? BSc Administration and Supervision Limited. Which Indian state produces GI certified Jardalu mangoes which were exported to the UK? Bihar. Which institute is hosting a 3-day virtual conference of BRICS Network Universities? IIT Bombay. Which state announced rupees 1 lakh relief to each BPL family that lost earning members due to COVID? Karnataka. Sabha Sakar has become the first female boxing coach of which country? Egypt. Who has launched a new initiative reported Don't Share It that encourages people to report child abuse content on its platform and not to share it? Facebook.